Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, March 13th. I'm James Spann. A mild and windy day today. Showers and thunderstorms return tomorrow. Those could be strong, maybe severe, and then cold nights for the weekend. Here we go. Let's talk about it. There's the upper look. A very deep cold core upper low is lifting out of the southwest United States. That's over Arizona this morning. And a very deep surface low will be generating, moving across the Great Plains today. That thing will likely deepen to about 970 millibars, 28.64 inches of mercury, producing some wild weather across parts of the middle of the nation. Around here, we're starting off the day with temperatures all over the board. Gadsden's got 48. Birmingham has 61. But everybody will likely be up in the 70s today with a strong southeast wind developing, gusting at times to 25, maybe 30 miles per hour as the pressure gradient tightens up. Around the nation, warmer air surging out ahead of that storm system. And we'll be in the 70s again tomorrow. But after that, we'll feel colder air by Friday and the weekend. And that thing is lit up like a Christmas tree. That's the watch warning map. Blizzard warnings from northeast Colorado through parts of Nebraska and the Dakotas and Wyoming. Flood watches for parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa. High wind warnings for parts of the Great Plains states. And it'll be a very interesting day of weather watching. There's also a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of North Texas. Big storms coming through Dallas-Fort Worth this morning. Got an enhanced risk of severe storms later today and tonight on the Mississippi River from Memphis down across the Mississippi Delta. The broad zone extends from the western Gulf Coast up into southern Illinois, western Kentucky. Tomorrow, there's a risk of severe storms from the deep south up into the Great Lakes in advance of the cold front. In Alabama, the standard slight risk west of a line from near Huntsville to Dora and Northport. A marginal risk as far east as Gadsden, Clanton, Selma, and Jackson. And we'll talk about this in more detail here in a couple of minutes. And then on day 3, which is Friday, thunderstorms possible over southeast Alabama, but severe weather not expected. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. A lot of that up north is going to be in the form of snow. Down here, about 1 inch for North Alabama, and that's going to be tomorrow. After tomorrow, we'll be dry for a while. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 06C run. Noon today, there's that very deep upper low lifting out across the Plain States. It is a stacked system. Underneath that, a 971 millibar low on the Kansas-Colorado border. How about that for a high wind event? Screaming pressure gradient around that. Blizzard conditions north and west of the low. A chance of severe storms east of the dry line, which is along Interstate 35. And for us, it's going to be a windy, mild day, highs up in the 70s. Tomorrow, the surface low fills. It is over Iowa. Still a chance of almost blizzard conditions for parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. Cold front pushing in here. Let's check the timing. This is tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock Central Time, and you can see kind of a broken band of storms pushing into northwest Alabama. And then after midnight tomorrow night, this is 1 a.m. Friday, a solid band of weakening showers and storms passing through Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Gadsden. This is the surface-based instability at the same time, and there's really not much. That's a reason storms should be weakening at that point. But overall, it's kind of a limited thread. The main dynamic forcing pretty far north of us. But again, in terms of timing, this is our thinking for northwest Alabama, 3 until 9 p.m. And understand that doesn't mean it's going to rain the whole time. That's just the window for the chance of a few stronger storms. And then central Alabama, 5 p.m. tomorrow until just after midnight tomorrow night. The main threat, gusty winds. There might be some small hail, probably not much, and maybe a brief tornado in through there. But you got to watch any system in March. But we'll keep an eye on things. We'll go to Friday. Showers will be ending during the morning hours, and the sky becomes partly sunny by afternoon, and the weather turns cooler. We could stay in the 50s all day with a good north wind And then Saturday, we start the day down in the middle 30s. The colder pockets may be close to freezing. Saturday should be a sunny day with a high in the upper 50s. And Sunday, again, we start the day well down in the 30s. A good chance we'll see frost, a freeze for the colder pockets. And the high Sunday should be in the low 60s. The sky will be sunny. Let's go to next week. New surge of colder air dropping in. Again, start the day in the 30s, the high close to 60. Tuesday, same thing. And again, we're starting to see some guidance coming in from the GFS that we could be close to freezing Tuesday morning. In fact, the operational GFS showing 31 for Birmingham. The high in the upper 50s. And a week from today, Wednesday the 20th, trough axis to the east, a little disturbance producing some rain off the Florida coast. But again, we're dry. All of next week at this point looks rain-free. We'll go out 10 days. Friday, March 22nd, little ridge axis coming in here. And again, we're dry. Here are the numbers. Look at all those 30s showing up. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday morning. But after that, we warm up. The 70s come back out there toward the end of March. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.